Okay, right. I'm having a few technical issues here, and I don't really know if I'm looking at the camera, but I'm going to give it a go. Anyway, what was I going to discuss today? Oh yeah, what I was going to discuss today is Donald Trump. Donald Trump and how Donald would redecorate the White House. Yep, how Donald would redecorate the White House, because I think if he's elected, it could be really interesting. Because first and foremost, I think, what would Donald put in the White House which isn't already there? Well, you're looking at the T at the front of the gate. That's got to be a given, right? He's going to have a big, I can't swear, can I? He's going to have a big off T in front of the White House, right? And he might have DT, Donald Trump, or DTH, Donald Trump's house, or DTBFH, which is Donald Trump's big fat house. Or we could have Donald Trump's big fat White House casino, because of course he's going to put a casino in, right? And that's going to be like Trump Towers. And then he's going to have to develop his building site. So that's going to be Trump Towers Industries, mashes up the White House. And obviously there's going to have to be a runway for his plane. And he's ostentatious with his decoration. He's always been known for being ostentatious with his decoration. There's been several programs, like I think there was an Apprentice show in 2010, which guests were allowed to go around his house and have a look at it, and it was pretty damn snazzy. So of course, and he's also said in interview that it'd be a privilege to be in the White House, because the White House isn't quite like any of his other properties, of course, and he will be president of the United States of America. So quite clearly his taste in decoration in Trump's terms is very, very good, and some of his ideas are very, very good. He obviously he stated in this 2010 program he doesn't use a dining room, but of course he's going to entertain members of state. Now I wonder if he entertains members of state like the Queen, if he's going to bow, or if he's going to try and sell her a part of Trump Tower. I don't know. And anyway, is there going to be like a Donald Trump playhouse where his wife and his mistresses and his children, and who's going to run his Trump business? Or are the Trump children going to have separate apartments within the Trump household? And who's going to run Trump businesses? Are Trump businesses going to be run from the White House? In fact, is the White House going to become Donald Trump Incorporated? And is America going to become Donald Trump Incorporated? Anyway, mine's not to get involved in the political rhetoric of it all. Mine is just a member of the public's observation on what Donald Trump would do if he got elected to be President of the United States of America and had the opportunity to refurnish the White House. What would be his objectives and goals in relation to it? And as I said, there's a lot of questions about the redecoration. Of course, we know about the White House gates. Now, he's somehow got to pimp them, because his casinos are renowned for being incredible buildings. His properties are renowned for being incredible buildings. The White House is an amazing, incredible historical building. But obviously, Donald Trump is going to have to put his stamp somewhere. So I state that we're going to see DT in front of the White House gates. And of course, he's going to have a helipad for his Trump helicopter. And his 747, I think is a 747 jet, is going to have to be there. He's going to have to house his family. He's going to have to house members of his corporation. And he's going to have a separate business office to his Oval Office. And how is he going to conduct his business empire? Because you all know that Donald Trump has got a massive business empire. And how is this going to pan out? And what's his fleet going to look like? So what sort of vehicles are we going to come seeing out of the White House? Are they going to be Trump embossed? I don't really know. It's an interesting phenomena. And I decided today that I would post this. And again, I am not going to make any comment on my views, who I'm going to vote for, whether that be Hillary or Donald. We know perhaps what Hillary may do in the White House, because she was in there before. So she didn't really change it that much. And I think if Hillary was made president, I really don't think she would change it from what it's like now. However, if Don was, we may have some problems there. So anyway, this is random, just making a general overview of what I think Donny would do. As I said, if you wish to make any comment, please comment below. If you wish to subscribe to my website, please if you wish to subscribe to my vlog, please subscribe below. I'm going to probably carry on with my minions, and I'm obviously, because I love them, I think, you know, gets me out of my ego, and it's my alter ego, the minions, so they're continuing. But I'm going to probably do another channel and discuss all sorts of different things on it, and what comes into my head and what I find interesting. So if you've enjoyed the comment below, do you know what? I'm doing this and I'm not going to put an edit in, right? If you've enjoyed this and my comments, please place a like or dislike, subscribe to my channel, tell me to do what I want, and we'll go from there, quite frankly. But anyway, this is Random, signing off. And Donald Trump, good luck with the White House decoration and your election campaign. Hillary, good luck with your White House decoration and your White House campaign. And may the best woman or man who is nominated win, and long may the White House reign. The end.